how to use this application here, like April stated. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, very simple to use. Down here, may see best location, you can tap on that option here. Pretty much go ahead and select your servers. So, not a lot of servers, but as you can see, these are all the servers that they offer. And all you have to do, if you want a streaming box, you can select that option, or a gaming server, you can select that option. Also down here you have the quick connect servers, and you have some other servers which you can use. So whichever server you want to connect to, all you have to do is tap on the, let's say for example Canada. Down here will show up a connect option, and you just tap on connect. We'll ask for connection request, just tap on OK, and then VPN will start connecting, and very simple to use. And also, if you have selected a server before, or you just want to connect right away, you can just tap on the connection button at the top here, and you're pretty much good to go. So other features over here, you have the split turn option, which you can select which application get the VPN connection, and yeah, nothing much. So that's pretty much it. If I missed anything, comment below. Glad to see you. Thanks again. See you in the next one.